Hi, I'm Kim Rhoda from Atlanta, Georgia, and I just finished a 3-day class, Blooms USA. The experience has been more than I ever expected. I have never painted this large. Most of my life it's been craft painting, and so this is a new experience. And to see what turned out in 3 days is amazing.
Did you enjoy the process?
I did. There was so much to learn, and it just seemed like every time there was something new that I had never thought of.
So Bloom's painting method is what I teach. That's Jacqueline Coates, and it's Paint Blooms USA that I bring to LA. It's a system of painting that I believe anyone can do. What about you, from what you've noticed in the room? Do you think that anybody can do this?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
I certainly do.
Yeah, because this is your first realism piece, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
It's incredible. You've done such a great job.
Thank you.
You've been a happy camper all along. It's just been wonderful.
Thank you. It's been wonderful.
And did you enjoy the ladies?
I did. I was going to say the camaraderie here is phenomenal. Everyone is rooting everyone on, and it's just been great fun.
Yeah. We've had a ball.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Kim, and I've loved having you.
One more thing. Jackie is a phenomenal teacher. She has patience. She has charm, wit. And it's been a pleasure, the 3 days we've spent with her.
Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. And look, congratulations. Well done.
Thank you.